Hello, welcome to one tutorial of Webflow. In this one, we're gonna make how to integrate Webflow with OpenAI or ChatGPT, but in this case, it's more actually OpenAI. We're gonna connect Webflow with OpenAI and to most precisely to create images with it. This tutorial is going to be only to demonstrate how you can make the connection. That's how simple it is. Not going to go in deep out and how you extract the picture again to Webflow, but how you just make the connection. So let's start. Yes, so I have it here in Webflow. I haven't yet create nothing, just for you to see. Basically, this is just a page, and I'm just gonna add a form. You can add it here, for example, and that really doesn't matter. And I'm gonna, to make it simple, because otherwise we have to make more steps, I'm gonna take the submit button away. We can take also the email, because we're not gonna get the email, and this part, and let's make here search or create image, for example. Okay, that it is. Okay, we can make it like this, doesn't matter. Okay, so this is gonna be the text field. We can give the form name, so let's make image form, for example. Okay, and now that we have the form ready, we go to Zapier. So in this case, you're gonna need a Zapier account and you're gonna need an OpenAI account. You are not, this is what I'm gonna use, it's with the free version. So you don't need per se a Zapier paid account or OpenAI API key in this example. Of course, then if you want to go more deeper and if you want, like I said before, extract the data, then you're gonna need the Zapier account. So we create a trigger, and let's first, in the beginning, we want the Webflow, of course. So first I need to write, okay, Webflow here, and you can, they have three different triggers: form submission, new order, or update order. In this case, we're gonna make a form submission. Continue. Yes. Trigger, and here is the site name, and I think Webflow chat GPT. Okay, and then this is the form name, and now it should appear because I created one form here before, but you always have to create, for the form should appear, you always have to create the form beforehand in Webflow, publish it, and send a prompt for them to Zapier test if it's okay. But we can see this now. Okay, you can see email form. Okay, let's see. They're gonna test. Oh, actually, no. Yeah, this form, it's not this one. Actually, this form is another one that I have. So, like I'll think, for this form to show up, let's see if I am correct. I think I'm just gonna publish. Wait a bit. Okay, now we go to the website, the page, and let's create here something. Man, yeah, I had this before. Okay, thank you. Mission has been received. Okay, now we go back to Zapier. Let's just refresh fields, and just restart the page to see if now it shows up. Email form, continue, test trigger. Okay, and now it is here. This is what the data that we create, and the type name is this. The name is email form, and we're gonna now create a next action. So this means that when you create that action, when you create the trigger in Webflow, what is the action that you want? In this case, we want the OpenAI. And like I said, you have to have an account. This should appear. You can change. No, but yeah. Yeah, this is the event. So they have different events for the OpenAI. They have now one that is in beta that is more like for the API request, search, and these are the basic ones that they had in the beginning. We're gonna use for now just for you to see how it works, the generate image with the DALL-E. Given a prompt, okay, we choose, we press continue again, and this is gonna be the prompt. So here you have to search in the form what is the place here where is the prompt gonna come. So we want this the text field. And the best way to choose is where I am. So again, so it's a data name. And you choose data name. And this was what shows up here. It was what I wrote before. Number of images, 1 to 10. Let's just make one for now. There's no. This is just test and test action. And this is the address of the image. I hope so. Yes, or this man walking with a yellow umbrella. So how we know that it works? Because this was what we put before, correct? So let's go again. Let's restart the site. Now let's create like this cauliflower with sunglasses. Okay, and we go to Zappier. Sometimes it doesn't go our way, but if you go to history, let's see if they have already the run. Oh yeah, because yeah, I haven't published it. So let's publish it first. I'm sorry. Actually, no, I don't know. It might be there, the one that I wrote about the cauliflower. Let's see. Bit. Okay, that runs. It should show up here. Okay, let's create another one. Go again, and what we can write. Mountains. Okay. Yes. Let's go here. is a new submission, and we see moon over 2 mountains. That was the data that we put in. And if you go that out here is the rest. Hopefully, let's copy and run it on the side. Yeah, I put something wrong, but I copy. I think I didn't copy the correct thing. Okay, try again. Okay, yeah. So you cannot see the mountain, but you can see the moon. But yes, well, there it is. Like this, you have already connected the Webflow with OpenAI. If you wanted to extract that picture to show up again in Webflow, then you have to create another integration here, and then you're gonna have to add the Zappier premium account. But for the basic, for you to understand how to connect Webflow and ChatGPT, the process is always the same. So then you just have to change it the way that you want. I hope you like it. Next week we're gonna make the same, but with Notion. So you're gonna use Notion and ChatGPT to create images, exactly like we are doing in Webflow. See you next time.